Goes to Vice Ganda.
The award is Dr. Rowena Reyes.
Magandang gabi. Special jury citation for what? Tonight, special jury citation for best performance. Ganun. So, salamat po. Award. Pero,
Eto na po, babasahin din.
yun i-explain pa lang. Baka sa best hairstyle, best outfit.
Eto na po.
Of the familiar and comfort zone to prove his growth as an artist.
Maraming salamat po sa pagkilala na yon. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you so much. Tonight, I am seen. Award sa mga first runner-up.